Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through why I'm going to be buying more than 10,000 Polkadot. I think Polkadot is a fantastic project and we're going to dig into my reasons as to why. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to jump in the Discord. It's absolutely free to join. Over 6,500 people supporting one another navigate this space safely. Definitely worth jumping in. And don't forget to check out 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗪.com. Link is in the description. We have courses ranging from Elliott Wave theory, smart money concepts, and how to build your portfolio, and much more. So definitely worth digging into that. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here on CoinMarketCap. Now, basically, Polkadot for me is a fantastic project. It's up 3.48% at the time of recording at $6.32. So I'm not going to be purchasing right now. I think we're going to see lower prices, and that'll be the point in which I buy. Polkadot ticker DOT is ranked 12th by market cap. Now you can purchase this from exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and KuCoin, just to list a few there. Now, not massively undervalued right now. I think it's a good price, but I think it could be better. And I think anything under sort of $5.50 I think is going to be a really good purchase. The all-time high was just over like $53 at $53.34, I believe, and that was back in 2021. Now, I don't think that Polkadot really performed as well as it could have in the previous bull cycle, and I think that it's going to perform much better in the next one. So I think that it's gearing it's gearing itself up. The developers are doing a lot of work, is what I'm trying to poorly articulate here, and that is seen here in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by GitHub development activity in February, or as of February. Polkadot and 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗪 were right up there, number one, followed by Cardano, Ethereum, Decentraland, and Filecoin. So I do think that Polkadot is, positioning itself in a very positive way, ready for the next bull run. And I think Cardano is as well. I think both of these projects stand out massively to me, because building should be done in these bear markets, and this is why I always say make sure roadmaps have dates, make sure you hold the teams accountable, make sure that you're monitoring GitHub and stuff like this, because these projects shine through. They're doing work in the bear market, above and beyond all of the competition. And for me, the projects that go on to do the best are the ones that are doing the most work, right? The ones that are working the hardest normally are the ones that go on to perform really, really well. And I do think that, Polkadot will get far more parachains and stuff ready for the next bull cycle. So if we go take a look at this, we've got these ones here with this, logo from Polkadot. These are all the current parachains on the ecosystem. Now, as we go down the list, you can see there's quite a few. We start to see some that they're at auction, and I guess they're being tested, and you're going to have all of these other projects eventually go onto the Polkadot ecosystem as parachains. So I'm super excited about this stuff, excited about the work that's going on. And, I think the changes have been really positive when it comes to Polkadot. So it's one that I feel very comfortable to be looking at for one of my, bigger size investments in the space. So really looking to see how this one, plays out. But, I've kind of said I'm really bullish on Cardano, but I'm also really bullish on Polkadot. It's a layer 0 protocol that is going to go on to do really well, in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. So one of the things that I am really excited about is the fact that Polkadot is seeking additional functionalities with 3 key updates, and I'm not going to get into the updates in this video. I will drop this article into our Discord for you to read through at your leisure, but it's really bullish. I mean, the first one seems to have received 99% yes from voters, despite already needing another 14 days before, you know, the vote is completed. So it looks like people are acting fast, and you can see the details in this actual article blog that they've put together on the Polkadot network. So I will share this for people to read through at their leisure. But the point that, you know, I raised this, I do feel that, you know, it goes to show that they're looking to do better. They're looking to build upon the platform that's already been built. And this really does excite me when it comes to Polkadot. I do think that it's got great technology. You've also got Revolt and other, you know, companies around the world launching, you know, staking and stuff like this on the Polkadot ecosystem. So what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a lot of adoption from other companies when it comes to Polkadot. And I think this is, again, another really good sign. We've got the other part here, which is that Polkadot, I guess, has also said that it's moved away or morphed away from security status. So the Web3 Foundation has reminded the world that in its eyes that they feel comfortable that they meet the SEC requirements, and DOT should no longer be considered a security. So, you know, again, I'm looking at the potential risks when it comes to these projects as well. I don't think Cardano would be classed as a security. I don't think that Polkadot would be classed as a security. I'm no expert when it comes to what the SEC are going to do and how they're going to look to regulate the space. Don't get me wrong. So take everything I say in this video with a pinch of salt. But, you know, looking at it proactively, you know, and considering the risks that I see in the space, I am quite comfortable with this project. But, you know, you've got to go away and you've got to do your own research to see, one, whether it resonates with you and it's one that you wish to make an investment in, or whether, you know, it does actually meet the standards that the SEC are expecting in your eyes. So go away, do that research, take everything that I say with a pinch of salt. But I think that Polkadot is an easy 10-20x coin. And I think that actually long term it'll do far more than that. But, you know, really for me, I'm looking for strong projects in a really volatile market with lots of rug pull scammers, fraudsters. You know, it's the Wild West whilst it's unregulated, and you're not getting to see all of the details of, you know, what is, you know, true data and what is, you know, inaccurate data. And whilst we go through these sorts of scenarios, you know, in my opinion, it's better to go with the stronger projects, you know, and look at them thoroughly rather than just watching YouTubers or listening to people in spaces on Twitter and various other social media platforms. So, you know, for me, really important you go do your own research. I think, you know, a 20x is on the cards for Polkadot, in my opinion, but it is just that. It's an opinion. Everybody's got one. Let me know yours in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.